guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned a lot about worship keys. If you like this video, do hit the like button to help with the rankings of this video. Do also hit the subscribe and the notification bell buttons so that you get notified when I post a new video or when I go on YouTube Live. If you like my work, you can also support me on patreon.com/inspiredkeys for as low as $1 per video. By supporting me on Patreon, you also get early access to my videos and one-to-one worship keys lessons with me. Now, if you have any questions based on what happened in this video, or maybe you have a question that you've been wanting to ask, maybe you want to learn how to play worship keys in a similar style as in this video, then the Inspired Keys Academy is for you. With over 30 training courses on dozens of worship keys topics, ear training exercises, active members-only discussions, the chance to get feedback for your playing, and live member calls with me every single month, the Inspired Keys Academy is your opportunity to get the help and support that you need to make your keyboard playing goals a reality. The best part is that you can get started today for just $1. So just go on to inspiredkeys.com/join and use discount code $trial at checkout, and you can get full unlimited access to everything inside the Inspired Keys Academy for just $1 for 2 weeks. I'll see you inside the Academy.